Hello, my name is Martin. Welcome back to Cheerson Hobby. Today I do have an exciting news for you guys. We do have here CX-10 updated version, which is called CX-10SE. In regards to the features, CX-10 and CX-10SE are exactly the same. However, there are a few aspects which make CX-10SE worth attention. So first thing to mention here is the packaging of CX-10SE, which is very compact and eco-friendly. Another difference between CX-10 and CX-10SE is the content of the box. In the box you'll find the following items: CX-10SE in the color you have chosen, the blade protective gear, transmitter, charging cord for your drone, 4 additional blades and blade wrench. Another thing to mention here is the special price of CX-10SE, and you'll find the link here at the bottom of the video for our online store. And for these reasons, I believe that this particular drone makes it a perfect micro drone for the beginners or for anyone who wants to sometimes have some fun at home, at the office or at school. And as well, I think it is a nice gift.